Hello everyone, welcome to GK Time. In this video, we discuss about some important multiple choice question from fundamental duties. The first question is, the Constitution of India adopted fundamental duties from the Constitution of DEX, America, Japan, Russia or Britain? The right answer is Russia. Then the next question. At present, how many fundamental duties are in the Constitution of India? 6, 7, 10 or 11? The right answer is 11. Then the next question. Which Constitutional Amendment Act was passed to provide compulsory education to children between 6 to 14 years? 82, 83, 86 or 84? The right answer is 86. Then the next question. The fundamental duties were included in the Constitution of India by which of the following Amendment Act? 40 Amendment Act, 44 Amendment Act, 43 Amendment Act or 42nd Amendment Act? The right answer is 42nd Amendment Act. Then the next question. The fundamental duties are mentioned in Part IVA or Part IV or Part III or in Schedule IVA? The right answer is Part IVA. Then the next question. Which of the following article of the Indian Constitution contain fundamental duties? 45A, 51A, 42 or 30B? The right answer is 51A. Then the next question. Which of the following are fundamental duties? Option 1, safeguarding public property. B, protecting the sovereignty, integrity and unity of India. C, developing scientific temper and humanism, or all of these above? The right answer is all are fundamental duty. So the right answer is option D, all of these above. Then the next question. To uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India is a provision made in the DEX, Preamble of the Constitution, Directive Principle of State Policy or Fundamental Rights or in Fundamental Duties? The right answer is in the Fundamental Duties. Then the next question. Fundamental duties is borrowed from which of the following constitution? USSR, United States of America, South Africa or Australia? The right answer is USSR. Then the next question. Which among the following is not listed as a fundamental duty in the Constitution of India? Option 1, to abide by the Constitution. 2, to protect the sovereignty of India. 3, to pay taxes. 4, to safeguard public property. The right answer is to pay taxes. Then the next question. Under the Constitution of India, which one of the following is not a fundamental duty? To vote in public election, to develop the scientific temper, to safeguard public property or to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals? The right answer is to vote in public election. Then the next question. Which of the following Constitution Amendment Acts added fundamental duties to the Constitution of India? Option 1, Constitution 41st Amendment Act 1976, Constitutional 42nd Amendment Act 1976, Constitutional 44th Amendment Act 1978 और Constitutional 45th Amendment Act 1980. The right answer is Constitutional 42nd Amendment Act 1976. Then the next question. Which of the following is not a fundamental duty of a citizen as mentioned in the Constitution of India? To strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity. Option 2. To raise voice against injustice. Option 3. To cherish and follow the noble ideal which inspire our national struggle for freedom. And option 4. To abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institution, the national flag and the national anthem. The right answer is to raise voice against injustice. Then the next question. Which of the following is a fundamental duty under Indian Constitution? To have a equality before law. Option 2. Not to promote untouchability. Option 3. Not to use titles. And option 4. To defend country and render national services when required. The right answer is to defend country and render national services when required. Then the next question. Fundamental duties were incorporated in the Constitution on the recommendation of Saha Commission. Option 2. Administrative Reform Commission. Option 3. Santhanam Committee. And option 4. Swarna Singh Committee. The right answer is Swarna Singh Committee. Then the next question. When was the fundamental duties mentioned in the Constitution? At the time of Constitution making. Option 2. On 26 January 1950. Option 3. 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act. And option 4. 41st Constitutional Amendment. The right answer is option 3. 42nd Constitutional Amendment. Then the next question. When were the fundamental duties incorporated in the Constitution of India? Option 1. In 1975. Option 2. In 1976. Option 3. In 1978. Option 4. In 1979. The right answer is in 1976. Then the next question. Which of the following is not a fundamental duty? To prevent concentration of wealth and means of production. Option 2. To render national services when called upon to do so. Option 3. To protect and improve the natural environment. Option 4. To safeguard public property. The right answer is to prevent concentration of wealth and means of production. Then the next question. Respect for the national flag and national anthem is the fundamental right of every citizen. Option 2. Directive principle of state policy. Option 3. Ordinary duty of every citizen. And option 4. Fundamental duty of every citizen. The right answer is fundamental duty of every citizen. For more and more this type of question answer video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and give your comment to encourage us. Thank you for watching.